Visit us on the web at nilfisku.com. Nilfisk University is the cleaning equipment industry's most comprehensive web-based training and interactive learning resource. Your degree in success is just a click away at Nilfisk University.
This lesson is brought to you by Nilfisk University, where excellence is attained through active learning. Welcome to use and care training for the Clarke FM40 LX orbital floor machine. The FM40 LX is a heavy-duty, powerful floor machine workhorse with enough power, speed, and weight to get tough jobs done quickly, and includes many unique features like wheels up, wheels down for easier control and lower operator fatigue, baseboard cleaning capability for greater cleaning flexibility, and removable handle mechanism for easier transport. This course is not intended to be a substitute for the operator's manual that ships with the machine. It is important that you read, understand, and follow all safety and operating instructions in this manual. Doing so will ensure years of safe operation and optimum performance from your machine. By successfully completing this training module, you will be able to identify the machine components and their function, list typical applications, describe the standard safety features, outline the steps to safely use the machine, describe how to install and remove the weights and handle mechanism, explain how to use the wheels up, wheels down feature, review typical troubleshooting items, and describe how to install a floor pad. This training will begin with an introduction of the components and features of the machine. We will then cover the daily use and care of the machine and conclude with a review of the basic troubleshooting steps. The simple design of the machine consists of a 1.5 horsepower commercial-grade AC motor, which includes dual capacitor design that helps get the motor running from a start and maintains power when encountering extra resistance from the flooring while working, and a thermal shutoff located on the far side of the motor in this picture that protects the motor by shutting it down if excessive heat is detected. The scrub deck is 14 inches by 20 inches rectangular design. The rectangular shape makes it great for working along walls and reaching into corners. The pads are attached to the scrub deck with a Velcro-like system on the base of the machine. Standard with the machine are 63 pounds of removable weights for extra cleaning and sanding power. The weights are locked in place by yellow locking knobs. 2 non-marking transport wheels, wheels up, wheels down lock lever, handle removal lock, one on either side of the motor and used to lock in or remove the handle system, baseboard cleaning pad, chrome-plated steel handle shaft. The handle is also the mounting location for the popular optional solution tank not pictured here. Compression-style handle locking lever. Press down on the lever to lock. 50-foot safety yellow 14-gauge cord with ground. And finally, the operator handle, which includes safety interlock start switch. There are many applications for this floor machine, including floor scrubbing with heavy-duty orbital scrubbing action and the ability to clean baseboards with the baseboard cleaner tool, chemical-free floor finish removal on VCT tile when combined with a maroon surface preparation pad, carpet bonneting for interim carpet cleaning, gym floor surface preparation by sanding, grouted tile floor cleaning using the grout cleaning pad, polishing honed terrazzo concrete and marble floors. Transporting. To transport the machine within a facility, firmly lock the operator handle in the upright position using the handle locking compression lever. Push down on the lever with your foot when the handle is in the upright position. Then, tilt the machine back onto the transport wheels and travel to the location where the day's task will be completed. If you need to lift the machine to get it into a vehicle or upstairs, the unit includes 2 features that make the task much easier. Both the weights and the handle can be separated from the motor base assembly. Due to the weight of the machine, it is strongly recommended that both the weights and the handles are first removed to reduce the weight and then carefully lift the machine components separately. To remove the weights, loosen the 2 yellow knobs and slide the weights off forward. When reinstalling the weights, be sure to fully tighten the weights in place with the yellow knobs to prevent movement of the weights and extra noise. To detach the handle mechanism, first unplug the motor cord from the handle cord near the motor. Next, set the wheel's lock lever to the raised position, which is the forward position as shown in the image, and lock the handle in the upright position. You may need to tip the handle forward to allow the lever to move into the forward position. Next, you will need to open up the two locking mechanisms located on either side of the motor and identified by the yellow top. To open each latch, you must first push on the locking knob and then open the latch with the yellow top. Push the lock knob toward the rear of the machine to free up the latch. Open the latch on both sides of the machine. Slide the handle assembly toward the rear of the machine. Carefully lift each component. Reassemble following these steps in reverse order. Using the machine. Depending on the operation, select the correct pad, screen, or carpet bonnet for the application. With the handle locked in the upright position, lean the machine back onto its handle and squarely install the pad. If continuing with the same pad from a previous shift, it is a very good idea to tip the machine back and make sure that the pad is in good enough condition to allow it to continue to be used. If thinner than about 3/8 inches, the pad should be replaced. If using a maroon surface preparation pad for finish removal, you must not install the pad in direct contact with the Velcro-like hooks on the base of the machine, as it will cause damage to the machine. Use another pad, like a red pad, as a buffer in between the maroon SPP pad and the machine base. With the maroon SPP pads, you will typically get around 400 square feet per pad side of coverage before its capability is reduced. If using the baseboard cleaning tool, install the baseboard cleaning pad as shown in the image. Only install a pad on the baseboard cleaning tool when you plan to clean baseboards. Plug the machine into a standard outlet with ground. Unlike a traditional disc scrubber, there is not significant torque applied to the handle, making it easier for the operator. You can lock the handle at any angle you prefer, but most find it comfortable to operate with the handle in the straight up and down position when the wheels are raised, or in the unlocked position when the wheels are down. To activate the machine, first press the red safety interlock button, which will allow the activation levers to begin operation. Releasing the activation levers will stop operation immediately. If not bonneting carpet, it is common to use solution on the floor. Water is used to control dust or water with chemical for scrubbing. A handle mount solution tank is a great solution for putting down solution, but solution can also be dumped on the floor from a bucket. For customers who want to sand floors as part of a floor prep project, but prefer to do the operation dry, there's an optional dust containment skirt that can be installed to the deck and attached to a vacuum source to capture the dust. The used solution must be recovered with a wet-dry vac or similar machine, or push the solution down a floor drain with a squeegee. If working on a wood floor, be sure to pick up the water quickly to prevent it from sinking into the wood. If using the baseboard cleaning system, guide the baseboard cleaning pad along the baseboard. Having the transport wheels in the raised position will allow the machine to move sideways along the baseboard much more easily. When finished with the task, wrap the cord around the handle to easily manage it for transportation and storage. This floor machine design contains the unique ability of two different control modes. Putting the transport wheels in the raised position provides superior maneuverability and directional ease. With the wheels in the lowered position, the machine will have forward and backward directional guidance, almost like a vacuum cleaner, and will have less fatigue for the operator. To put the machine in the wheels up position, place the wheel raise lock lever in the forward position. This will allow the machine to turn in any direction and allow easy sideways motion for operations like baseboard cleaning. To put the machine in the wheels down position, place the wheel raise lock lever in the rear position, allowing the transport wheels to contact the floor during operation, making the machine more comfortable and less fatiguing to use in many applications. You may need to tilt the handle shaft forward a bit to allow the wheel raise lock lever to be changed from either position. Troubleshooting. If the unit fails to operate when the activation switch is engaged, then there are only a few items that could be the cause. Start with the easiest to verify and fix. Is there a power issue? This is usually the cause. Verify that the power cord is fully inserted into the outlet. If it is properly plugged in, verify that the outlet is live with an independent, known functioning electrical item like a light. The next easiest item to check is the thermal shutoff on the unit. The thermal shutoff is like a circuit breaker. If tripped, it needs to be reset. The arrow indicates the button to press to reset. If the thermal shutoff trips while in use, the motor will need to cool down a bit before it can be reset. This helps protect the motor. If you have proper power and the thermal shutoff is reset, then the issue falls to either an activation switch or wiring issue or a motor issue. Your local dealer can help you diagnose and resolve the problem quickly. Caution: servicing electrical power equipment is dangerous. If you are not a qualified service technician with understanding of electrical circuits and training about electrical safety, do not attempt to repair the unit yourself. If your unit is more noisy than usual, verify that the yellow knobs that lock down the weights are fully tightened. If you have retained the information provided here, you will now be able to identify the machine components and their function, list typical applications, describe the standard safety features, outline the steps to safely use the machine, describe how to install and remove the weights and handle mechanism, explain how to use the wheels up, wheels down feature, review typical troubleshooting items, and describe how to install a floor pad.
Visit us on the web at nilfisku.com. Nilfisk University is the cleaning equipment industry's most comprehensive web-based training and interactive learning resource. Your degree in success is just a click away at Nilfisk University.